Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to create WordPress pages. If you're new to WordPress, or just need a refresher, this video is perfect for you. How to create and publish your pages on WordPress. So let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Pages tab. Click on the Add New Page button. Enter a title for your page in the Page Title field. Add your content to the page using the WordPress editor. Once you're finished adding content, click on the Publish button. I hope this video has helped you learn how to create WordPress pages. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tutorials.